just Skadu it. All right, this is about dishes. All right, I don't like doing dishes, but if you give me a power tool, I might reconsider. All right, and it's not just dishes, it's washing my water bottle, it's glasses, it's you could do the car if you have a baby, you know, there's getting the SpaghettiOs everywhere. You could scrub it all up, the sink, the stove, your garbage bins get stinky, you gotta clean them out, your shower, bathtub, you know, the bathtub gets grime, scrub it all off, right? There's just a lot of scrubbing involved for having a clean home. So this is the Skadu. This is gonna help you get rid of all of that elbow grease. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. It's almost like a gun, like a real power gun. Okay, so it's got a nice silicone grip. It's rechargeable. It's got a 2600 milliamp hour lithium ion battery and its own charging port, which is not like a USB C or regular anything. It has its own little circle port, so make sure you use its cable that actually comes with. So you're gonna see it has this triple head attachment here. So it's gonna come with it. You lock it in, and this is where you strap on your different attachments. So you could have rough attachments and mild attachments. So this is the mild attachment, right? You'll get 9 of these with your order. So you just take these out, you pop them on like this, okay? And now you're ready to scrub. All right, bring me some dishes because I'm ready to clean. All right, so this is the tough bristle. You also have, sorry, that's the mild bristle. You also have the tough bristle. It's gonna be like a Brillo pad circle essentially. So that's pretty cool. And this is for that triple head, and these rotate in opposite directions. So it's really gonna get every little nook and cranny quite well. So you could take these off and put on the tough ones, or you could take off this whole head. Oh, take off this whole head, okay, and then use some of the other attachments. So this is just a flat scrubber. So this is something I would use on like some dishes where I don't have a whole lot of like gunk and grime. So you lock it on there, and now you're ready to go with the brush. Then what about corners, right? You need something a little bit longer to get in those corners. So this has a little cone type shape to it, so you could really get in there. So you have the corner brush, you have the flat brush, and then you also have this copper basically setup here, like a Brillo. So this is what it looks like. So you just attach them like this. Now you're ready to go with the copper scrubber. So this is good for like really heavy, you know, pans and pots that are just caked in. Okay, so that's how it works. And then the last attachment that you have is the bottle brush. So you could go in with the bottle brush and clean that up, right? Just go in there deep. So that's pretty neat. And you just do it like that. So that's pretty neat. I think this is gonna save me some time, and it might save you some time as well. Check this out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is it gonna save you time? Is it silly because all you gotta do really is splash some water on most of the things and you throw them dirty in the dishwasher anyway? And by the way, it's 119 bucks, so not too expensive. Might be worth a try. Hyperlychee.com. Link will be below in the description. I think this can help. Let me know what you think. Thanks, take care.